was just at the Planet Fitness and now waiting. I got a delivery in Miami, so I got like, not Miami exactly, but close there. We got 130 miles, so we gotta get going. train horns though. Look at that picture though, that's nice. Sometimes, you know, when this doesn't go in all the way, you just gotta release the clutch a little bit and it goes in, as you just saw. Just a quick tip for people that don't know how manual goes. Come on. No, I'm not Spanish. I just like Latin music. Just putting it out there. Nice whip. What the fuck? American Truck Simulator. I used to play that crap all the time when I was young. Deliver loads and speed and whatnot, modify the trucks. I'd always cheat with the money hack, but yeah, that was one of my favorite games back in the day. And now we're actually doing the damn thing. But only thing bad about trucking really is just being away from home. If you're home every day, I mean, you wouldn't really be considered a real truck driver if you're home every day. But it's all right, man. It's good money if you're an owner. I mean, if you're a driver, it's not bad either. But I am looking for drivers too. I'm based off of Cumming, Georgia. So if anybody want to drive, let me know. I'm paying 58 cents a mile for reefer. So yeah, looking for clean drivers, you know, good history, and we can get going. But yeah, y'all asked what I do for staying fit on the road. I usually try to work out every single day if I can. Really, if I got time, I usually drive like 8-9 hours, you know, 500-600 miles, and go to the gym for 2 hours. Instead of me wasting my time, you know, eating and whatnot, all this and that, I try to spend that, you know, the hours that I got in the gym. You know, that's how I stay fit. I usually go with the trailer and just park around the back. I look up in the Google Maps and see if it's, you know, I got enough space for me to be around there, you know, go around. And typically you do, you know. But yeah, that's how I I try to stay fit. I try to hit the gym all the time, as much as I can, really. And I don't like to eat no fried foods, no sweets, no soda, things like that. Yeah, I try to eat clean as much as I can on the road. We got 122 miles, which is about 2 hours if I don't hit traffic. That's my whip, by the way. I drive a supercharged E90 M3. Yeah. And a loud ass truck. That's a big ass load. I don't know if y'all saw that. That was a wide load sitting at a rest area. And I got 1 pick, 5 drops from California. Tomorrow is my last drop. I wish I could have done it today. I was trying to head home, you know, back towards Atlanta, Georgia. I'm low-key tired of being on the road. I need some home time a little bit, and then get back on the road. Try to go eat West Coast for the miles. They're paying all right, but going towards California, it's kind of bad. But out of California, it's pretty decent. On a reefer trailer. I was on a step deck like y'all know before, but I paused that for now because step deck kind of dies out during winter times since we do all partials and stuff. So I just hopped over back to reefer and pulling this for now. Doing all right. Boys and girls, I hope that was enough driving. You guys requested for more driving videos, so I did one real quick. I'm gonna sign out. I got 2 hours to drive, and I gotta find something to eat too. I haven't ate yet, but yeah, later. Hope y'all have a great day or a great night, and hope you enjoyed the video. Deuce.